Hello and welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 1991 John Deere 535 with 5,500 bales of use. Let's take a closer look at the features on this round baler. This John Deere 535 produces 6-foot round bales with a maximum weight of 2,000 pounds. And it features 8 belts and hydraulic double wrap, along with a manual bale counter and a minimum of 80 horsepower to operate. Thank you for viewing this John Deere 535. Interested in this round baler? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.